Howdy gang, and welcome back to Pool School. Today's episode is going to be a little unique because I'm going to do a product review on a new pair of sunglasses that I'm going to be trying out for the next several weeks. So what do you say? We dive right in. Alrighty, once again, before we move any further forward, I want to remind you to like this video if you do, subscribe to my channel if you've not done so already, and please share my channel with everyone you know who owns a pool so that they can save money the way you are. Alrighty, so as I said before, I am always in the market for a good pair of sunglasses given what I do for a living. I'm out in the sun doing pools and there's a lot of glare and it can be kind of hard on the eyes. So the good folks at a company called Toroe, I hope I pronounced it right, it's actually T-O-R-O-E. Their website, I will put it out here. It is toroeeyewear.com, and it'll spell across the bottom of the screen right here. They reached out to me and said, hey, we saw you had a YouTube channel and you're in the sun a lot and we would love for you to check out our sunglasses and see what you think of them and see if you would tell your viewers about it. So this video is gonna go on for a couple weeks. I'm not gonna take a couple weeks to let you watch the whole thing, but I'm going to use the sunglasses for a couple weeks and let you know what I think of them. But before we do that, let's take a look at the pair that they sent me. Okay, so this is the box that they came in, and I'm not gonna sit there and have you watch me open the box and everything. So I just wanted to let you see the box that they came in, and I'm gonna crack this box open, and we're gonna take a look at this pair of sunglasses, see what they look like, see how they fit, and I'll tell you the model number that I got. Okay, so really quickly, they actually have two different kinds of tint. They have the C3, which is a standard tint, which is what I got, and then they have the C4 versions, which are all much darker. And so for what I need, we went with the standard tint. And this particular model is called the Range. If you can see that, it's called the Range. It's the C3 standard tint, and it's the Range black emblem. You'll notice the little logo there is black. And they're polarized. Look pretty good, kind of sharp looking. I got obviously the smoke lens because I don't like a lot of the mirroring on the lenses, although they have that option. And again, I'll put a link to their website in the description below this so you can check out the different models that they have. Basically the style, the look, as far as the shape of the sunglasses is the same on all of them. It's a couple different variations. One is you can either get a black emblem, see the emblem there, it's black, or you can get them in a white emblem. And then there's a couple different lens styles as far as the hue and the coating on the top. But so far they look pretty good. They're very light. Putting them on, ooh, I like this. I like the color. I'm not a big fan of the blue blocking type of sunglasses, although they carry a lens like that if you like those, but they fit pretty good. I have a strange situation with my ears. My right ear is a little bit higher than my left ear, and so it kind of feels sometimes kind of weird, but I put these on the table and they're exactly where they should be. They're perfectly balanced. The frames are flexible. I'm gonna go over really quick the frame style or the technical things about these sunglasses right from their website. Anyway, let me go over a couple of their features. Okay, for the lens features, they say they are polycarbonate. I'm reading off my computer right now, so forgive me for looking over here. They're polycarbonate lenses. They're polarized, 100% UV 400 protected. Again, 100% UV 400 protected. They are scratch resistant. They are also shatter resistant. They are hydrophobic. I don't know what that means unless they're water resistant. And they are also anti-reflective inner coating, which is really cool because sometimes when you put sunglasses on, you see all this bounce back of reflection and it's kind of hard to get a clear view through them. So I like that they're anti-reflective. As far as the frame features, these are their T90 flexible frames. So I'm not going to sit there and torque these around, but they're called T90 flexible frames. Feather lightweight, they are definitely light. They're very light and they don't squeeze my head here. So I really like that. They have a reinforced hinge system, which is great because you know how hinges break off and how those things go. And then it's a standard one size fits most. So these are them. So that's the basics. And again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link to their website below in the description below this video so that you can check out their website. And in that, the good people at Toroe Eyewear sent me a special code that if you decide you want to order a pair of their sunglasses, You enter that code and it will give you $10 off the price of those sunglasses. So thank you to the good people at Toroe for allowing my subscribers to have that. So I'm gonna go out and try these for the next several weeks. And from time to time, you'll see them pop up. I'm gonna be doing videos in those weeks, and so you'll probably see these as well. So we'll see how they turn out. But so far, so good. Go check out their website. Talk to you soon. Alrighty, gang, it has been just over 2 weeks since the good people at Toroe Eyewear sent me these sunglasses. Again, these are the Range. You can see on the inside, the Range black emblem version with the smoke lens non-mirrored. And I wanted to give you my review of this product. First of all, they're fantastic. As far as the lenses, the visual acuity of these lenses is, to me, exceptional. I've had a lot of different pairs of sunglasses, and I love, there's no distortion on these lenses. There's no distortion looking through them. I use a lens cleaning cloth to clean them, but I also use my t-shirt when I'm out in the field doing pools, and no problem. They clean up fine. A lot of times when you have a polarized or a hydrophobic coating on sunglasses, on lenses, it tends to rub off. Sometimes it rubs off fast. Well, I pretty much rub these a ton every day, and I've used them for doing my pools, my yard work, and everything, and no rubbing off of any of the coatings at all so far. So far so good, so that's pretty cool. Again, like I said, there's no visual distortion. The visual acuity is absolutely exceptional. So A+ on that one, gang. I love the frames as far as the lightweightness and the durability, and also a little comment about the lens. They're scratch resistant lenses. Now, I've dropped these sunglasses a few times, and I know that you drop sunglasses too, and one of the things I hate is like get a brand new pair of sunglasses no matter what you pay for them, and you drop them and you get a little nick right at the sight line of your lens, and then it just kind of wrecks them for the rest of the time you own them. So far, these haven't done that. I don't know how they'll hold up, but they are scratch resistant, so maybe that's part of the process and keeps them a little more durable. So I really do love the lenses. I love the tint of these lenses. They're non-mirrored, but the tint of these lenses is called smoke, and they are fantastic. They have a couple other different styles of lens as far as what colors you see through it, like they have the blue blocker style and stuff like that, but that's entirely up to you and a personal preference. Again, the frames, very durable, flexible. I've sat on it a few times, and no messing up with the frames at all. They're flexible, they're lightweight. Comfort-wise, I hardly even know I have them on, and a lot of times you get them to squeeze your head on the side there, and it kind of leads to headaches. Well, these have been fantastic. Like I said, there's no pressure points, no discomfort at all. So honest to goodness truth, I think these sunglasses are fantastic. Now, before I go into the only negative that I have, which is just a personal preference, I want to talk about price and value. I have had sunglasses that are $180 or more, and I have found that they don't hold up, and they don't fit, and they don't work as well, or I'm not as satisfied with them as I am with these. Now, as far as value, these go for about $65 online on their website. And again, I'm going to put a link to their website below this video, so that in the description of this video, so you can go to their website and check it out. But remember also, I'm going to put a promo code, a discount code, that if you enter that into your order, when you order from the Toroe Eyewear people, they will give you $10 off your purchase price. So again, so $65 normally, with the discount code of $10, so $55 for a pair of sunglasses of this quality. Folks, fantastic. A+ to the good people at Toroe Eyewear. Now, I'm going to offer a disclaimer really quick. I am receiving no financial compensation for this product review, or for any sales of these sunglasses that go through my promotional code. All you're telling the people when you enter that promotional code is that you saw these sunglasses on my YouTube channel. So they did send me these sunglasses. Thank you so much for the good folks at Toroe Eyewear for sending them to me. But again, price and value, oh, fantastic, A+. Now, lastly, here's my one negative, and this is personal preference. I am a blade style sunglass person. I like more the matrix style blades, and so I am a fan of those. I think they fit better on my head. I think they look better on me. My wife thinks so too, and that is very important. And so for all of you folks at Toroe Eyewear, if you decide to come up with a set of these sunglasses with these types of lenses, the color and everything, and all the frame style and everything, and you get them into the blade style, I'm all over it. Please get back in touch with me because I would love to get a pair of those. Anyway, but that's just me. If you like this style of sunglasses, as far as the frame style and everything, I don't think you can go wrong. So that is my product review. Overall rating, A+. It would be A++ if I liked, if it was a blade style sunglass. But other than that, these are exceptional sunglasses, great value for the money. So I hope that helps. And again, remember, as I said before, I've put a link to toroeeyewear.com in the description below this video, so you can check out their line of eyewear and see the different lens types and colors and all that. And then if you decide to order, use the promo code that will be in the description as well below that link, so that way you can get $10 off your purchase. So thanks again to the folks at Toroe Eyewear for sending me these sunglasses. I will continue to wear them until I absolutely destroy them, and hopefully they'll last me a long, long time. And you'll probably see them showing up in some of my videos in the future, because I still do like to wear them, even though the style is not necessarily my favorite. All right. So thanks again for watching. Hope this haul is helpful. And remember, as always, out in the sun, around the pool, have fun, be safe, and always, always, always watch those kids and elderly folk and pets around water. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye.